Hello, my name is Mayur Dhingra. In this video, we'll learn about how to create the front end or UI of any app, a web app, mobile app, website, anything using simple English language. So the tool's name is V0 by Vercel. It is a free tool. I have made a free account here. So let's start creating our app. So create a web app called AI Doctor. At the top, there is a title called AI Doctor, along with navbar links such as home, currently selected, about, and contact us. So let's see what it gives us for this prompt. It will, in the backend, it has started generating the UI for us, and it will give us around four different versions of them so that we can select basis the one that we like more. Now it has provided us four options. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is a bit more detailed, and this is the fourth one. Out of them, I would go with the first one because I want to do all this main thing myself rather than it being generated by it. So on the main screen of the app, we have two options, like panels. Uh, the first option is chat with AI doctor, and the second option is fine tune an AI doctor. Each option should further have a one to explanation. So let's see what it gives us now. Okay, so it has provided me this front end right now. I'm still not happy. Could you make the options more central on the main page and more attractive in general? Also, please add one button each below the two options. Below chat option, there should be a button called start chatting. uh, Below fine tune fine tune option, there should be a button called contact sales. Let's see what it gives us now. It's provided me this front end. I'm still not happy for some reason. uh, the reasons are, which I will write here. Please make the button color change from blue to black to match the overall feel and vibe of the app. Also, what I would like, yeah, just do that for now. Okay, so we can do that, and it will change, but I don't want to waste all my uh, credits of this month because 4 days are left. So the main reasoning behind using such a tool is not to replace the front end developer or UX designer or UI developer. It is for, I think, people who are product managers or people who would like to create their own product, but uh, they don't want to do front end development. Along with using this tool to create these wireframes that you can share with UI developer, it also provides you the code. So here is the code. This code is in React, which is a JavaScript library. You will still need to write the backend code. Similarly, it also gives you the HTML code as well. But you would need the backend code if you want those buttons to work, right? But the front end thing can be done solely using such a tool. So yeah, that's about it in this video. Thank you.